Welcome to the P&R Diner. Breakfast burritos on the menu today. Look at the inside of that. Oh man, this looks good. Here we go. Ready? I like that the veggies are still crunchy. And a hot sausage and that smoked Gouda cheese. Oh man, it tastes good. There we go. We're going for another bite. We got some homemade sauce over here. My wife made. Low spicy mayo mix. You gotta try this. Simple, easy, just a few ingredients. Hey, how about my camera lady gets a bite there? Oh, look at the inside of it.
Oh my God, this is good. Oh yeah. Viisi kautta viisi.
Viisi kautta viisi. That's 5 out of 5. If you like what we did, please give thumbs up and check out the other items on the menu. Don't forget to subscribe for future delicious episodes. Have a great day and thank you for watching.
This is the best breakfast burrito.